Well, we got a big change coming to the valley, a weather alert for you. You're looking live over the valley where things calm right now, but wind advisories are in effect tonight, and they could bring gusts of up to 45 miles an hour. Now, just last week, was it 2 weeks ago, we have our Halloween decorations out. We usually put them out Labor Day.
Okay.
And so we had all our Halloween decorations out.
Get a head start.
The wind took all of our decorations and put them all in our neighbor's yard.
Yeah,
so I go outside. Right? Jamie, we got to be careful. There's going to be ghosts and goblins flying all over the valley.
Yes, literally. In other states, I've actually acquired Halloween and Thanksgiving decorations because of the wind. I looked for the owners and couldn't find anyone that owned them. And they just basically, I kid you not, appeared on my front door. I'm like, whose are these? But yeah, we're going to have some pretty good winds around here for the next 24 to 36 hours. The high country, the winds will start to subside tomorrow into the afternoon hours. For the valley, we'll feel it drop off much sooner. But take a look at this. Southwest winds 10 to 30, gusting 45 to 50 across the high country. For the valley, we'll be at about 20 to 25 tonight. Wind gusts will go even higher. For the valley, though, it's going to get worse into the later part of the evening. For the high country, you're going to feel it first because everything's coming in from the northwest. Wind advisory across much of the state. Doesn't include the southeast or south central part of the state. That's about it. But difficult driving conditions with those high-profile vehicles. And then we have a winter weather advisory that goes into effect tonight until tomorrow morning, Kaibab Plateau. And again, we're talking about Jacobs Lake, about 3 to 5 inches of snow there, but above 7,000 feet is where it's going to have a really big impact. And checking out the numbers right now, 30s, 40s, and a couple of 50s for the high country at this hour. 63 in Phoenix, 60 for Yuma, and 51 Casa Grande at this moment. And for later on tonight, again, from the northwest direction around the dinner hour, some scattered rain, Mojave County. It's going to move across much of the high country. I wouldn't rule out a few rumbles of thunder, but it's overnight when it turns over to snow, and you can see even down the rim into the White Mountains. We could see 1 to 2 inches around the White Mountains, up around Flagstaff. The worst of it, though, again, up on the Kaibab Plateau for the overnight hours. There it is right there. But again, it's going to be a nice wintry look. It won't have a huge impact necessarily on travels for parts of Flagstaff and the White Mountains. But temperatures for today, we're still trending below average and will continue to drop as we get into Tuesday, as we have a high of 52 degrees up around Flagstaff. And you can see for the valley, we'll slowly warm towards next weekend.